Welcome to our video on the importance of maintaining a proper nail care routine. We'll be walking you through the steps to achieve healthy, strong nails that will leave you feeling confident and polished. The first step in any nail care routine is proper nail filing. It's important to use a file that is made for nails, such as a glass file, and to file in one direction to avoid damaging the nail. This will help prevent splitting and breaking. Next, we have cuticle care. The cuticles are the protective barrier around the nails, and it's important to keep them moisturized and pushed back to prevent hangnails and infection. A cuticle pusher or an orange stick can be used to gently push back the cuticles. A base coat is an important step in any nail care routine, as it helps to protect the nails from staining and provides a smooth base for polish to adhere to. It also helps to strengthen the nails. To finish off our nail care routine, we have the top coat. This will seal in your base coat and color, and give your nails a glossy finish. It also helps to extend the life of your manicure. By following these simple steps, you can achieve healthy, strong nails that will leave you feeling confident and polished. Thanks for watching.